Hi guys, I'm Precious and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get this medium-sized knotless box braids done myself. Now, these braids have been inspired by a viral TikTok trend going around where people dye the bottom part of the hair a different color. Now, if you're natural like me, you know that's a hard decision to make because the damage your hair goes through when you dye it, you're gonna end up having to cut it off in the long run. However, my friend came up with this idea where instead of dyeing your hair, you do a braids version of it, and I was like, that looks amazing, this is the look, I have to do it. I did it and it does look amazing. And if you know you want to rock this style yourself without having to dye your hair, keep watching this video.
Hi guys, I'm back and I'm just going to be showing the braiding pattern I use. Now, I love putting my hair in cornrows because it really helps me when I'm braiding my hair, and especially when I'm not able to finish braiding my hair in a day, I can just leave it, go to bed and start again. Now, you're going to want to take the section of hair you want to braid and split it down into 3 sections as you would a normal braid. And I start with my left hand because I'm right-handed, and I will explain that soon. But starting off with my left hand, I do 3 movements. So 1, 2, and 3. And the third movement, I'm gonna stop. And then I grab my first piece of braiding hair and I add it in. And I use my index finger to hold this braiding hair down. And from then, I'm only gonna do 2 movements now. So 1, 2, and I stop and I add another piece of braiding hair. Once again, I use my index finger to hold this braiding hair down. So you want to carry this process on until you've added 6 pieces of braiding hair into the braid. Now, I do 6 pieces because it kind of guarantees that each side of the braid has an equal amount of braiding hair, so your braid is like neat and it doesn't have any bumps or any sort of things like that, and it really makes it look professional, at least in my opinion. Now, I start with my left hand. Like I said, I'm right-handed, and if you noticed, I keep adding the braiding hair with my right hand, and that's because they're with my left hand. So if you're left-handed, you want to start your braid off with your right hand instead. Okay, so once again, I start off splitting this section of hair I want to braid into 3 different parts. And I also start off with my left hand and I do 3 movements. So 1, 2, and 3. And I use my right hand to add in the first piece of braiding hair. I use my index finger to hold this piece of braiding hair down. And I do only 2 movements again. I stop and I add another piece of braiding hair in. Two movements again, and I add another piece of braiding hair. And this just carries on until I add 6 pieces of braiding hair, and I just carry on braiding it until the end, or for me, I just stop braiding it at a certain point because I prefer to finish braiding the hair and just do the ends all together. But you can do it your way. You can decide to braid it down to the end with each braid you make. It doesn't change the outcome. It's gonna end up looking the same regardless. But that's how you do a knotless braid. But if my voice is distracting, you can decide to just watch it from here on out. You're not gonna hear my voice because some of us are visual learners, and I understand that. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and please turn on that post notification bell while you're at it. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching.